Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Avast free antivirus software on Windows. So this should help you keep your PC protected. So first, simply open up your browser and go to the Avast official website. From here, you can then download the Avast free antivirus installer. So once downloaded, you then have to open the installer and click install. Then you simply have to follow the on-screen instructions. You'll also be able to choose custom installation if you want to select specific features. But after the installation is complete, you then have to open Avast and follow the prompts to complete the setup and enable protection. Then you can also finally run a quick scan to make sure everything is working. And your Windows 11 PC will then be protected with Avast free antivirus. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.